Hi, my name is Rory Steele from Digital Jersey, and a few people have been asking about the Digital Design Challenge and what is it and what is expected from it. Well, actually, that's the whole essence of it. We aren't expecting any one thing. We're really hoping that people push the boundaries, but to give people a kind of starter on things, let's have a look at what's out there. So if I have a look at this page just to the side of me here, we can see that, you know, digital and art has gone back many years. This is a clip from Big, where they're just jumping on the big electronic keyboard to produce some music. So the whole kind of idea about this is that you can just be as simple as you want, creative with the arts, but just be experimental. If we have a look at some other examples, more modern examples of that, where people are walking around exhibitions and then we're interacting with those and creating it to that space, then yeah, that's the really creative arts side of things. But not everything is to just do with the arts presentation of it as well. Think about the Jersey climate change mural that's there, visualizing data. How do we actually get data across to people and visualize that in different ways? Now, I'm not saying you have to do something like this, but it's about the creative digital element of visualization. And you know, Jersey's had its own experience of big scale projects as well. This was Montauk Guy 3D mapped a long time ago. Really exciting project, really powerful projectors, really interesting stuff from I think it was Battle of the Broncage there. So lots of exciting kind of ideas. If you go to Digital Jersey's website and look for the Digital Design Challenge, you'll find more of that as you go through. 12th of October for the deadline, so time to get thinking about it, but there are the categories there. We've got visualizing data with some examples there about how you might want to approach that, but again, we don't want to pigeonhole you in any way, shape or form. Then we've got sensing and responding with the world, sensors and how the world will interact with it. Think creatively about that, and again, lots of different examples. And then, as we've kind of been mentioning before, my own kind of bias, which is the digital culture and arts within technology. And as you go through, you know, there's good prizes, £1,500 for each category, and there's some other rewards there as well. And as you go through here, looking down this page, you'll see about 3D mapping with projectors, interactive art, making computers that make art as well. Can we look at AI and what they perceive the world to be? There's many examples of that around as well. Sounds, you know, creating mood boards, actually looking at cameras like this one right now and having it gauge the mood in the room. You know, my own, I did some stuff with some keyboards and other creative aspects, as well as one of my favorites from Matt, which was just the kind of cocktail umbrella that would pop up if you needed to take a brolly out with you. So hopefully that's given you a little bit more of an idea, but we are asking you to think creatively, think outside the box. There is no one answer. These are just things that might jumpstart or catalyst as a catalyst for you, but do think massively creatively. And this is one to involve not just digital people, but artistic at the same time. How can we merge those two worlds into one? So hopefully that's given you some impetus. And like I said, the 12th of October, get your ideas and get them in now. Thank you.